Hey guys, my name is Rafael from Avant Auto Sales. Today I bring you another walk around of the lot. We have a lot of things going on. We just got a couple of new cars, look at them. But today I bring you a 2008 Nissan Altima, which is a very customer's favorite. This one has the original paint, has a 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission. Everything works on it. Look at the wheels, they're clean and shiny. And the car is super clean inside out. Take a look. There you go. Doesn't have any tears, rips, or anything on the seats. AC is blowing cold. Radio is working. It has 160,000 miles on the clock. It has push button start. Heat works. AC works. Automatic transmission again, and let's put it in reverse. Engages right away, and let's put it in drive around the lot. These cars seems to be very good on gas. With a 4-cylinder 2.5-liter engine, you can well run with them. People seem to love it because it's spacious, it's big inside, it's comfortable, and it's an Altima, all-time favorite. Its price to sell is only $1,000 down plus tax and tag, and you will be the owner of this beauty. And if you finance with us, you can build your credit with Avant. Go to avantautosales.com or visit us on social media at Avant Auto Sales. Build your credit with Avant. 2008 Nissan Altima, 160,000 miles, $1,000 down plus tax and tag. Come get it because this won't last. Thank you.
Listen to my daddy. He knows what he's talking about.
See, she knows.